Hi and welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to Vietnam, so please follow us on this trip. As usual, we are pretty late, so that's why the hurry. So, just telling you a little bit about the trip. We are this time flying to Moscow and on from Moscow to Hanoi, where our journey in Vietnam begins tomorrow morning. So, not going to bore you with too much travel through airports this time. So maybe some B-roll of a trip from here to Hanoi, and then I'll see you all in the morning. Hanoi and waiting for our bags, and hereafter we are taking a Grab to our hotel inside of Hanoi, and while waiting for the bags, this might be a great time to just tell you all about the trip ahead of us. So we are staging in 3 stages, starting in the north, in Hanoi, and part of that region we see Ninh Binh and also Ha Long Bay. Then traveling to the middle part of Vietnam to Hue and Hoi An, spending a few days there, and also to get to scuba diving if the weather allows us. It's start of the season, so we might not be able to it, but it's booked, so hopefully. And then finishing off the 14-day journey in Ho Chi Minh City. To see that as well, and then we're back again to Copenhagen. So 14 exciting days waiting ahead of us. We are really excited about it, but for now we are pretty tired. It's been a long journey, it's been stressful, short time in Moscow, and yeah, just running around. So follow us along on this exciting journey. See you up there. So finally arrived in Hanoi and checked in at the hotel, and now we are on our way to meet a private guide to take us for a few hours around the city. That was a visit of the market. Various things to choose from fish to vegetables to everything, I think. great guide with Trang in all of Hanoi, and now I'm on my way on my own to see the train street here in Hanoi, where this famous old train is passing through all of the buildings where people live just outside of the tracks. So I'm going there now and hopefully get a picture of the train that should be there around 7 p.m.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
Okay, so finally got it. Found the train street, of course. So the sun is about to set, and it actually doesn't matter. Then there we have all of the street lights on the buildings, and maybe it'll get a little bit harder to photograph the train when it arrives, but we'll try and see what happens. Need to find a place to set up to actually capture the train. So wish me luck.
Perfect.
Now you have to find your coin.
Yeah, we're gonna have a look.
Night time in Hanoi. Also time to get something to eat. So we are out to have a dinner at a restaurant called Lak Lak. So let's see if that's as good as it sounds. Just got corrected. He just told me that it's called Luk Lak. No, Luk Lak. So we'll look if it's good enough.